Garlic, often hailed as a superfood, has been used for centuries not only as a culinary ingredient but also for its numerous health benefits. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach can amplify its effects, providing a range of advantages from boosting immunity to promoting heart health. Here are 6 compelling reasons to start your day with a clove of garlic. 1. Boosts immune system. Garlic is packed with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, protecting your body from oxidative damage. It contains compounds like allicin, which has been shown to enhance the response of white blood cells when they encounter viruses, such as those that cause the common cold or flu. Eating garlic on an empty stomach maximizes the absorption of these beneficial compounds, giving your immune system a robust start. 2. Improves digestion. Starting your day with garlic can help stimulate digestion and promote a healthy gut. Garlic has prebiotic properties, meaning it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, improving your overall digestive health. It also stimulates the production of gastric juices, aiding in the efficient breakdown of food. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. 3. Detoxifies the body. Garlic is a powerful detoxifier, helping to cleanse the liver and flush out toxins from the body. Its sulfur compounds play a crucial role in enhancing liver function and protecting it from damage. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach can accelerate this detoxification process, promoting overall health and well-being. 4. Supports cardiovascular health. Garlic is known for its heart-healthy properties. It helps reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent the formation of plaque in the arteries. The allicin in garlic relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Eating garlic on an empty stomach ensures that these heart protective compounds are absorbed more effectively, providing maximum benefit. 5. Aids in weight loss. Garlic can be a valuable ally in weight management. It helps regulate the formation of fat cells in your body, preventing weight gain. Additionally, garlic increases thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to produce heat. This metabolic boost can aid in weight loss efforts. Consuming garlic on an empty stomach can kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. 6. Anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Garlic has potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to numerous chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Its antimicrobial properties make it effective against a range of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Eating garlic on an empty stomach can enhance its effectiveness in combating infections and reducing inflammation. How to consume garlic on an empty stomach. To reap these benefits, simply peel and crush 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic and let it sit for a few minutes to activate the allicin. Then, consume it with a glass of water. If the taste is too strong, you can mix it with a bit of honey or lemon juice. Incorporating this habit into your daily routine can significantly improve your overall health. Incorporating garlic into your morning routine can provide a multitude of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to promoting heart health and aiding in weight loss. Its powerful detoxifying and antimicrobial properties make it a natural remedy for various ailments. By consuming garlic on an empty stomach, you can maximize its beneficial effects, setting the stage for a healthier, more vibrant life. So, next time you're planning your breakfast, don't forget to include this potent superfood.